Hi guys, welcome. So today I am doing a mukbang on tostadas. Well, in honor of Taco Tuesday, I wanted to do tostadas instead. So it is a not vegan, vegetarian tostada versus a traditional meat tostada. And so today I have with me Malachi and Alessandra. Hey, so they wanted to do a mukbang. And so today we finally get to do one. Gonna hurry up and get to it. So how you guys doing today? So I am drinking a sparkly water. It's a mango flavor. And so today we're gonna try, well, introduce yourself. You gotta speak up.
I'm Alessandra.
Hi, my name is Malachi Hamilton.
All right, Malachi Hamilton and Alessandra. And I'm Anna Kay. So today we're gonna try, you wanna try the vegetarian one first?
I want to try the regular one.
No, we're doing a competition.
But I want to try this one.
Put that, okay. We're doing the vegetarian one first. And on that, I have refried black beans with onion, garlic, bell pepper, lettuce, tomato, avocado. I do have regular sour cream. It's not vegan sour cream. And let's try, hold on. And I made vegan cheese. Ooh, so I'm gonna try it. Y'all wanna try the vegan cheese? We have to try everything so that it's a fair competition. Okay, I'm just put a little bit. Okay, on three. 1, 2, 3. Oops. It might get messy. Oh my gosh. How does that taste? Don't you taste that? Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I could taste every flavor. You're really not missing the meat. I'm not saying that because I made it. It really is awesome.
That's delicious.
Delicioso. Isn't that good?
Real good.
It really don't.
Sister, how did you make it like this?
How did I make it like that?
Yes.
Super good.
I got the corn tortilla and I fried it on each side until golden brown. And then for the vegan cheese, oh, you okay? You all right?
Too much.
Take your time. The vegan cheese consists of sweet potato, cauliflower, nutritional yeast, almond milk, chickpea water, and then you just season it to your taste. I put a little pasta sauce in there to try and emulate that cheddar cheese color, and it really does taste awesome. It goes well with the the vegetarian tostada. So now we're gonna try
The regular.
the regular.
I hope this isn't.
I like to experiment with food, so you know, food isn't meant to be boring. So I always try to create something awesomest. All right, on 3, 1, go. Told you it was gonna get messy.
Too
Oh my gosh.
So good.
I'm gonna be honest. To me, the vegetarian tostada tastes way better than the turkey. The turkey tostada. What you think?
I feel like the vegan one is way better.
The vegetarian one? Well, it's not vegan because it has the regular sour cream on
Oh,
it.
yeah, vegetarian.
But I agree. I mean, this don't taste half bad, but oh, you hear that crunch?
Oh, it's me.
Oh my gosh.
How do you roll?
Oh.
I think it tastes crunchier than the vegan one.
Like a pig, oh my gosh.
They both taste good. And the flavor that's in the vegetarian one is very good. And the stuff that you put on it is really good. And other stuff.
I mean,
And the beans.
both of them are a hit, but the beans, the black beans, and then I seasoned it up with taco seasoning. Look at that taste. So, a 1 out of 10. How would you rate the vegetarian tostada?
10.
I'll give it
10 out of 10.
Really?
a 10 out of 10.
I agree. I
10 out of
really
10.
would. And the turkey tostada, how would you rate that?
I would give it probably an 8 or a 9.
I would give it a 9 out of 10.
See, so they're both still great.
They are.
And that's a show, vegetarian or not, you can still have fun with your food. It's all about flavor profile. You can't make it bland. Add the same vegetables and seasoning you would to your food if you were a vegetarian, vegan. You can still enjoy your food.
So they don't use cheese?
Vegans don't use cheese. Any animal products.
Yeah.
So they don't eat animal?
No. See, I was hungry. I'm so young. So what other videos do y'all want to do?
The one where you have
More mukbang.
the chips, hot chips, with those chicken nuggets, and you put it together and eat them. It sounds delicious, doesn't it?
Or who could finish more chicken nuggets?
You wanna
That's
do
too
a
much
chip-
chicken nugget.
Exactly. You're probably gonna choke.
Well,
So
not
you want to do a
or slow. Make sauce and then.
how many chicken nuggets can you finish first? I don't know.
I might be the
We
winner.
might, or I might do another challenge where we do a vegan chicken nugget versus regular chicken nuggets. What y'all think? Comment below. Let us know what other challenges you'd like to see us do, and we will try our best to do so. But this was fun, guys. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Me too.
Me too.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Ooh. Excuse me. Anywho's, so before I go, I would love for you guys to like only if you want to. You can share only if you want to. You can subscribe only if you want to. Only if you want to. Bye-bye.